Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how to fix problem Apple Watch not charging, so how you can also fix it. So first thing, you check your cable, so maybe you just need to connect another cable to connect to your Apple Watch. So just check your cable. So after, you can try to restore your Apple Watch. You just tap on here on the settings. In the settings, you just need to tap on the general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, and just power phone again. So just simply restore your phone. So thanks for watching, have a nice